Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet a unique bag with a 3D cube effect. It's a very easy pattern made with diamonds in 3 different colors. For this tutorial you will need 24/7 cotton in 3 different colors and you will need crochet hook size 6mm. The first thing you will need to do is make 26 diamonds, 10 in yellow, 8 in off-white and 8 in taupe. I've made a separate video tutorial for the diamonds, which I will link here, and you can also find it in the description below. You will use 2 strands of 24/7 cotton held together with a 6mm hook. Once you've finished all the diamonds, lay them in this position. For the sides we will simply fold them in half. And for the bottom we will fold them in half horizontally. And I will now show you how I join the diamonds together, and there are many different ways how to do it, but this is just how I do it. I decided to use a invisible stitch. So grab your tapestry needle, use a long piece of yarn, approximately this. So I will start by joining these 2 sides together. Make sure that the stitches are aligned. And then you will insert your needle in the center chains. And then here you will insert your needle in the back loops only. And then on the other diamond, you will insert your needle in the front loops only. And then we go back to this motif and insert your needle in the chain that you already made a stitch in and go to the next chain. And then here, go in the chain that you already made a stitch in and go to the next. And don't pull too tight because we will do that later. Then we go back here, working in the back loops only, and the back loops are the loops furthest away from you. And then in this motif we will work in the front loop only, which is the loop facing you. So once you've made a few stitches, you gently pull, not too tight, not too loose, and then you will see that your motifs will be joined together in a seamless way. Always make sure that the stitches are aligned. So yeah, go ahead, finish all the stitches, and I will see you here when we move to the next motif. Okay, so I'm now going to join the next piece, then start in the chain of the off-white. So now I go to the mustard chain. Oh, yep. And then back to white. Gently pull, not too tight but also not too loose, and then go ahead and continue joining this together. Okay, I will show you what I do here when I have all these motifs to join together. So I finished the last 2 chains here, and then the last 2 chains here. And then what I usually do is just go through all the loops twice for extra sturdiness, and it will make sure that all the points will be connected perfectly. So I go in the center chain 2 space here, and then here, and then the white one, this one, and then this one, and then I pull, and then I will do this one more time for extra sturdiness. To the white, next one, yellow, okay, so then I do a few more because I need to continue working here. So basically I'm doing 2.5. Okay, so now I'm back here and you'll see that this is perfectly joined. And then later when I'm finished with this row, I will use white to close these. And these and these. So yeah, go ahead, join all the motifs and I will see you later. We are now going to work a border of single crochet along the top of the bag. So you will need 2 strands of yarn, make a slip knot, and work 2 single crochet in the center chain 2 space on the top right corner. And I'm going to work with both strands to weave in the ends. So that's 2 single crochet. Then we continue working a single crochet in the next 11 stitches. That's 11 single crochet and 2 in the corner right here. Then we are going to work a single crochet 3 together, and we insert the hook in the chain space here in the center and in the next chain space. So we insert the hook in the chain space and then here in between the chain spaces and then in the next chain space. Then we yarn over and finish the single crochet. Then we continue working a single crochet in the next 11 stitches. And then we work 2 single crochet in the chain space. So this is what we will repeat until the end of the round. We work a single crochet in each stitch, and then over here we work a single crochet 3 together, again 11 single crochet and 2 in the corners. I will see you at the end of this round. I just finished the last single crochet, and instead of slip stitching in the first stitch, I'm just going to continue working. We are going to work 2 single crochet in the 2 center stitches. So go ahead and work 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then also 2 single crochet in the second stitch. Then we work a single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Now we are going to work a single crochet 3 together in this stitch, in the next stitch, and this stitch. And then again we work a single crochet in the next 10 stitches. And then again we will work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches in the chain space, and then again at the top we will work 2 single crochet in both of the 2 stitches, and this is what we repeat until the end. So we work 2 single crochet in the 2 top stitches, then we work 10 single crochet, a single crochet, 3 together, 10 single crochet, and again 2 in the 2 top. So this is what we repeat all around, and I will see you at the end. I just finished the last stitch of round 2, and in round 3 we will work a single crochet. This is just to move up 1 stitch. Then we work 2 single crochet in the 2 center stitches. So that's 2, and then also 2 in the next. Then we work a single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Then we work a single crochet, 3 together, and again 10 single crochet, and then we will repeat this for the entire round. So we work 2 single crochet in the 2 center stitches, then we work 10 single crochet, a single crochet, 3 together, 10 single crochet, all the way until the end of the round. I will see you at the end. I just finished the last single crochet, and we are now going to work on the strap. I'm going to work 5 single crochet. Then I chain 1, turn my work, and work 5 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn my work. So this is what we will repeat doing, just 5 single crochet, chain 1, turn your work until the strap is long enough, and I will see you at the end when I'm done with the strap. And I just finished my strap. I made 25 rows of single crochet, and now we will grab the yarn, and now we will make the second strap over here. So we make a slip knot, locate the 5 center stitches, so that would be these 5. Then I will make a single crochet in the first stitch, for a total of 5 single crochet. I'm making 5 single crochet, chain 1, turn my work, and repeat the process of 25 rows of single crochet. So yeah, I will repeat this to the end. So I just finished the second strap, and now we are going to sew the straps together. And the reason we do this is because if you would just continue working, then it would not look so pretty if you would have to attach the strap to the back. So I find it much prettier when you just crochet from the back and then you sew together here, and then your strap will look seamless. Seam the end straps together using a tapestry needle. Before I do this, I will make a knot to secure the ends. Gently pull. And now just weave in the ends. So this is what your strap looks like. And just repeat this on the other side as well. And then you will have both your straps. And then your back is done. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!